Voters in Wisconsin will head to the polls this Tuesday to elect a new state Supreme Court justice in what has become the most expensive judicial race in U.S. history, with over $80 million in spending. Experts are calling this race a proxy war as Democrats seek to push back against President Donald Trump's policies. So what's at stake? Currently, the Wisconsin Supreme Court holds a narrow 4-3 liberal majority, but that could flip depending on the outcome of the race between conservative judge Brad Schimmel and liberal judge Susan Crawford. Elon Musk, a prominent ally of Trump, has thrown his support behind Schimmel, contributing significant funds through PACs like America PAC and Building America's Future.
It's obviously important in the state of Wisconsin, but I think it could actually be important for the country as well, and maybe for the world.
Musk's interest in the Wisconsin race isn't just political. His car company Tesla is suing the state over a law requiring car manufacturers to sell vehicles through independent dealerships. For Wisconsin voters, key issues include transgender rights, voter ID laws, redistricting, unions, and notably abortion.
I believe in the sanctity of life, and I believe that Brad Schimmel is the one that's going to be able to carry that on.
Crawford has criticized Schimmel for his support of a state law from 1849, which was used to block abortion rights for over a year following the U.S. Supreme Court's overturning of Roe v. Wade.
I don't think that we should be governed by a law that was passed before the Civil War. We need to, in Wisconsin, have the laws reflect the modern times.
Schimmel, however, has stated that while the 1849 law remains valid, the issue should be decided by voters. Another concern for some voters is Musk's influence on the election and how it could affect Schimmel's decision-making if he is elected. But Schimmel has said he will review any cases involving Tesla and recuse himself if he cannot remain impartial.
If I have a problem that I can't be objective in that case, then I'll recuse from the case.
Musk, meanwhile, offered $100 to anyone who signs a petition against, quote, activist judges, and gave away $1 million to 2 petition signers. On the other hand, Crawford has received support from individuals like billionaire George Soros and Illinois Governor J.B. Pritzker, as well as receiving endorsements from Wisconsin Senator Tammy Baldwin and former President Barack Obama. She's been vocal in her criticism of Musk's financial involvement, claiming he is attempting to buy a seat on the Wisconsin Supreme Court.
My opponent was supported by George Soros. He's a dangerous person to have an endorsement from.
It is no coincidence that Elon Musk started spending that money within days of Tesla filing a lawsuit in Wisconsin.
Recent polling shows Crawford with a slight lead, but ultimately, the future of Wisconsin's judicial makeup will be determined by voters this Tuesday.